Model, 2019 Ford Transit T350L3H3 rear-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 137637. MOT, 24 August 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair for someone that knows what they are doing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,225. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111